What is up, guys? This is Live back again with another video. I want to give you guys a quick update here on Bitcoin, some potential price predictions for the upcoming week here. And if you guys are new to the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications, and let's get started. So here we are on CoinMarketCap.com. As you can see, the whole cryptocurrency market is above $500 billion at the moment here. Bitcoin is almost at $12,000, up 6% today. So we'll take a quick look at that right here on TradingView. So here we are on TradingView, currently looking at the 4-hour time frame here. We definitely have a crossover here of the 50 EMA crossing over into above the 200 moving average here at the moment. As you can see here, we have a rising wedge pattern here, which is typically a sign of a reversal coming soon here. So you definitely want to keep an eye out on this. RSI is pretty high here on the 4-hour time frame. Momentum building up as well here on the 4-hour time frame there. So as you can see here, we are having a lower high forming here on the 4-hour time frame RSI at the moment here. We had this previous RSI level here, roughly the 78.5 range there. Now currently we are at the 72 range here on the 4-hour time frame there. We broke through a bunch of minor resistance levels here, broke through the let's see here, the previous one was 10,400. And then right here, we're testing this very strong resistance level here at roughly the 11,600 mark here. Just broke above it here. We'll see if this definitely holds here in the near future and definitely tests the next potential resistance target there at roughly 13,000. So that's going to be your next target there for Bitcoin. But it's starting to overextend here quite a bit. For Bitcoin, we'll zoom out here on the daily chart really quick. So as you can see here on the daily, I'll zoom in here really quick. So momentum's pretty high here on the stochastics on the daily. As you can see here, previous momentum when it was this high, roughly 98, we did see a pullback there, roughly at the beginning of January there. So we're having a similar pattern here, as well as trading roughly around the 98. We might see this overextend, where the momentum starts to build and go sideways here in this upper channel there. If this is a true sign of a bull market here for Bitcoin here in the next couple of days there. So as you can see, just keep that in mind. We're gonna have this resistance level here on this RSI on the daily at roughly, let's see here, roughly 60-ish. So right now we're testing that mark at the moment here. This needs to break above it here to confirm a breakout from the previous high on the RSI from about a month ago here, roughly around the 60 range there. So we're definitely going to have to break out of the 60 range there for the RSI on the daily to show signs of a bull market and bull upward trend here for the moment here for Bitcoin there. So we'll zoom back here on the 4-hour time frame really quick. So right here, zoom back out. So like I said, guys, we are definitely breaking above this really pretty strong resistance level here from previous history here. Had about 2 touches there, roughly there on the 4-hour time frame. Couldn't quite break out of that. Right now it's kind of breaking out. So we have the volume there, pretty high buy volume, as you can see here, forming a second buy volume candlestick there. Pretty large, roughly around 3,000 Bitcoin being traded on there. We're going to have to wait and see if this forms another a couple of green candlesticks here and definitely drives this price up towards the upside here in the near future. You want to have a combination of a large buying volume as well as like a clear indication that it breaks through this minor resistance level here, roughly around the 11,700 range, and definitely clears this thing towards the upside there. If it does that, we're definitely going to be watching this very closely here on the $12,000 mark, just because it's a psychological level there and people will probably start to take profits there. Always keep that in mind there, and then just give yourself a scenario here where, let's see, we'll zoom out here on the 4-hour time frame really quick here. So I know a lot of people were looking at this almost as a giant bull flag from previous history there. We'll draw the lines there connecting just the 2 points there from the past. So rough there. So yeah, roughly there. We had this kind of more of a giant bull flag here at the moment there, and as you can see here, if you connect the 2 points from before, it's definitely breaking out of it here on the 3rd point, but it could pull back in here. you know, always have to keep that in mind that you always want to watch for, you know, the potential bull and bear plays. So, your bullish scenario definitely is going to break out and test this $12,000 mark just because of the psychological factor of it. And then if it breaks through the 12,000 psychological barrier, your next target here will be, you know, 12,700. That's what people are going to be looking for there. So, you know, you can take your profits accordingly if you still think that Bitcoin will fall and pull back here in the future, which it could. So, definitely keep that in mind. So then you also take into account, you know, bear scenario. We'll assume $12,000 as a psychological barrier here for the bearish scenario here, and it does pull back here. You always have your favorite retracement targets here. So you're going to watch for your 382, roughly around 9.6K there for Bitcoin. You know, 0.5 around 8.9, and then the 618 target there. Let me see, show you guys this. It's a little hard to see. Let's pull it out here. So right there, 618 target around the 8,000 range there as a more of a longer pullback there. But you know, if you see a pullback, people are going to trade this in Elliott waves, and you're always going to see your typical what's it called here? Let me see. Yeah, so if you see a pullback here, say 12,000 is a psychological number there. If we definitely see a small pullback in the near future, you know, you're always going to have your, you know, ABC correction. You know, it could be a flat, where it's an ABC flat correction there. You know, it could be an extended, where the B wave is above, you know, where the previous resistance was, and C is extended down below. But those are going to be different scenarios there for Bitcoin. You know, you could also see it pretty close here, where it's going to be, you know, ABC, where C is above A, and then B is quite below the resistance level there. So different scenarios for a pullback there. Definitely opportunities to buy, you know, the dips and make some little small, like couple intraday or 2 to 3 day swing trade plays here for Bitcoin if you see a pullback there. Always opportunities there to make money in the bear or bull market there for Bitcoin as well as the altcoins there. Altcoins not doing so well right now because everyone is jumping on the Bitcoin train at the moment there. So quick update on Bitcoin. If you guys are new to the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below. Do you think Bitcoin will break through $12,000, or will we see a small pullback here in the next couple of days? That's going to be it for the video, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.